Do you need a clear structure before you start writing? In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can turn an idea into a full blog outline using the AI tool LogicBalls. First off, you're going to have to open up your web browser. And then on the search bar, you can just search for LogicBalls and hit enter. Now just head over to logicballs.com and it's going to take you over directly to this website. Now you can start creating your project. If you just want a quick use, you could just start without logging in. But if you are planning to use this for a long term, I suggest you can log in, or if you don't have an account, you can sign up for one. But I'll just show you guys how you can easily create a new project. So you can just paste your working topic. Like, let's say if I want to find top 5 spots for hiking in Nepal. So let's say if I just type in something like this, here on another line, I can write the prompt. I can write something like generate a detailed blog post outline with the main headings, subpoints, and then I can also do and suggest intro and conclusion. All right, so once you write your prompt something like this, you can just go ahead and hit enter. Within seconds, LogicBall analyzes your topic and lists your major selections, subsections, and even bullet points for each. You can review your output and drag sections in order to reorder. So you could just go ahead and copy the results over here about your blog post outline. And then you can just go ahead and reorder your points. Now, if you are happy with the result, then you could just go ahead and easily paste it on your blog, and then you can just reorder them, create a blog with these key points. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.